Ngayon naman po ay makakasama ko ang magkapatid na anak ng nag-iisang OPM legend. Please welcome ang equally talented brothers, Paolo and Gab Valenciano.
Hello po, good evening po sa lahat ng mga kapamilya ng nanonood ng Sarah G Live. Thank you so much for having us here.
Yes, it's our pleasure, Gab. Siyempre, si Gab lagi nating nakakasama dito sa Sarah G Live. Nakikita natin yung galing ni Gab sumayaw at yung kagwapuhan ni Gab. Yes naman. Pero si Paolo naman, you're older, Paolo?
Yes po.
Ayan, si Paolo. Yes po. Okay, first time ko makakasama po si Paolo. Kaya magkwekwentuhan muna kami ni Paolo. Bakit may bulungan? Anong gagawin? Kodigo. Okay, sige. Para pareha kayo ng answers. Okay. Okay, tuhan muna tayo. Balita ko, ito po. Recently, nag-propose si Paolo sa kanyang girlfriend of 6 years na si Samantha Godinez. Tama ba, Paolo? Samantha Godinez na pamangkin ni Sir Martin Rivera. Wow.
Yes. So,
Congratulations.
yeah. Magiging official na, related na si Tito Martin tsaka yung dad ko. So, at least that'll be good for
Legally.
the fans.
Legally.
Officially.
Ayan. Nakakaingit naman yan. Ilang taong ka na, Paolo?
28.
28. Okay. Okay. So, curious lang ako, paano ba nagsimula yung love story ninyo ni Samantha? Kwentuhan mo naman kami.
Ayun, so, since, you know, Tito Martin tsaka yung dad ko, very close sila, every time may mga parties or mga Christmas get-togethers, doon kami nagsasama. And then, syempre, growing up, ako yung parang kuya niya eh.
When was the first time na nag-meet kayo ni...
Hindi ko actually maalala kasi
Bata pa kayo?
bata pa kami.
Wow.
Pwede ba akong sumingit?
Okay, go!
Actually, yung parents namin have known each other. Yung kay Sam tsaka sa amin, they've known each other since high school. So, since birth sila magkakilala.
Meant to be!
It's meant to be! Wow! Nandiyan siya lang sa tabi yung kanyang true love, no? Sarap naman yon. So after ligawan, ng ligawan, ayan, sinagot ka na. Miss App, how long was the courtship? Naks!
How long ba? Hindi ko, siguro mga 6 months?
Pwede.
Bakit?
Wala naman. Nahirapan ka ba? Nahirapan ka manligaw?
Medyo weird siya eh. Weird kasi parang childhood friends kami. So nung sinabi ko sa daddy ko na type na gusto ko siya, parang nagulat silang lahat kasi parang
Wow.
parang friends lang talaga kami.
Eto si...
Ano na?
Ikakasal na rin
Parang
ba?
parang
Bakit yun yung pinapakita?
bakit ganyan?
Ayan.
Ayun. Okay.
Ay ko, wow.
Pero naalala ko yun kasi lumapit yung brother ko sa akin. Sabi niya, Gab, parang I like someone eh. Tapos sabi ko, ayaw niya talaga sabihin kasi nga medyo awkward kasi childhood friend. Di ba may ganun naman kayo lahat?
Childhood friend
na.
Yung unexpected, no? Parang
Pero
gano'n.
alam mo, Sars, ito masasabi ko
Okay, Gab.
there's a study shown na after the age of 18, there's a 67% chance that you've met your husband to be.
Wow. After the age of 18?
18.
Okay. Ilan taong ka na, Gab?
24.
Ayun na. Ayun na nga yun. Ito naman, question natin for Paolo. Kailan mo nalaman na dumating na yung cue mo, perfect moment, para mag-propose ka na kay Samantha?
Ito yung nakakatawa ha. When we were, siguro, 1 week ko pa lang gusto si Sam. Hindi pa niya ako gusto, as in friends lang talaga kami.
Yes.
Sinabi ko na sa isang friend ko na, I think I'm gonna marry that girl. So, hindi ko alam kung paano mangyayari yun, no? Kasi hindi naman niya ako gusto, pero, ayun, nangyari.
Ay naman. Anong sabi ng daddy mo si Sir Gary nung nag-propose ka?
Nung nag-propose ako, parang ano lang sila eh, parang hindi sila nagulat eh. Parang na-excite talaga sila kasi parang sobrang natural na ganun yung nangyari.
Expected na nila, kumbaga.
Oo, na-expect na nila. So, nung sinabi ko na, Dad, I think it's time I'm gonna propose na. Ayun, parang hindi siya nagulat, hindi siya na, are you ready? Parang straight, sabi niya, okay, let's do it, let's make it happen.
So this year na ba to, Paolo?
In 2 weeks.
2 weeks?
He's getting married on February 7.
Wow!
It's okay.
Gab, ano message mo naman sa kapatid mo?
Ito, I don't usually get to say this to him, pero I look at you as my hero, not just as a brother, but now accompanied by a sister. And I'm very, very thankful and blessed to be able to have a brother that I can say I want to be like when I grow up. And that's not a joke. That's not a joke. Alam ko, Quiz, that I've done a lot of things that have disappointed you, but I promise you, one day, it will all make sense.
Nayak naman ako.
Paolo, your message to Gab.
Gab, of course, I love you very much, and I'm so proud of you. I always talk about you to my friends, and I always tell them how talented you are. I know you have a very bright future, and I think pagdating sa pag-ibig, ang masasabi ko lang ay kung mahal mo yung babae, saka mahal mo ang Diyos, maghahanap ka talaga ng paraan para magkatuluyan kayo. Na everyday makikita mo yung mukha niya. It's the first thing you see in the morning. So, I'm not saying get married na. Hindi ko yan what I'm saying. I'm saying, if you love God, if you put Him in charge of everything, it'll happen. That goes to you too also.
Naiiyak naman ako. Ano ba naman yan? Okay.
Sarah, that message,
Si Gab.
that message is for you also.
Ay, ano ba yun, oh? Okay. Nakaka-inspire naman talaga yun. Ako. Ay, sabi ko. Okay, nakakatawa itong magkapatid na ito. Okay, ito na. Magkantahan na tayo ng isang malupit na faithful. Ito ang gustong-gusto natin. Faithful na pagmamahal.
Round and round, you're on my mind.
God bless you, Paolo.
God bless you, Sarah. I'll be
Thank you.
praying for you and
Thank you.
your and for you. I'll be praying for you. Thank you so much for having me here. This was so much fun. I had so much fun.
Yes! Thank you. Thank you, Gab. Okay ka lang, Gab?
Yeah, medyo natamaan ako dun. Thank you so much to, of course, Sarah G Live for having us do this together. And to share it with you, of course.
Yes. Maraming salamat, guys. Thank you, Sir Gary, Tita Angeli, thank you. Diyan lamang po kayo, mga kapamilya. Mas niliwanag pa ang gabi sa pagbabalik ng Sir G.